form of windmills.
It's Darude all over again.
Do the song for us, Lisa. Hey guys, we're at our Airbnb now in Yucca Valley near Joshua Tree. We're about to go eat some pho. Jasmine lent me this coat, which is so nice of her. And then in the back of our Airbnb there are lots of Joshua trees.
Where are the keys?
Look at all that.
Oh really? How do we lock them?
This is our Airbnb for Joshua Tree. There's some games in here. Our room is over here. Wow! Oh my goodness! Good morning, guys! Kyle is cooking a delicious breakfast for all of us. Avocado toast, salt, pepper, garnished with the tomato. Hey guys, today we're going to Joshua Tree National Park, and here we are. Woohoo! We are at Ryan Mountain. It's so windy out, so we all put on our warm coats and jackets. We're eating a quick lunch before we climb the mountain. Here we are on the trail. Look at that little block. How is that even up there? Looks like it's gonna fall any second.
The Ryan Mountain Trail is pretty much an uphill hike all the way to the top. It's only 1.5 miles to the summit, but you'll climb over 1,000 feet in elevation. Not shown here is how much I actually struggled with this hike, but we all made it to the top eventually. Along the way, we passed many beautiful desert plants and flowers. I think it was worth the view. It was so windy at the top. I forgot my hat, so I had to improvise. Up next, more Joshua Tree.